Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 1, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. First grade. On 10th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 5th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row and 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. Column H, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. Fifth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. 8th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 5th row and 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Second row and 3rd row, we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. In 4th row, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, column B, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in one of the two cells. we will confirm later. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column B, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Ninth row and third row, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Third row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. First grade, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Ninth row and second row, we have pair numbers, 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in any one of the two cells. Second grade, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Second row, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Seventh grade, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Seventh grade, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Ninth row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column E, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column E, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column J, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.